In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete this default cartoon video that comes on a few of the web pages. So if you want to get rid of this video, then I'll show you how to do that. So what you need to do is you need to go to your user interface, go to Website Management, Websites and their content, and click under Website Pages. Once you click there, you need to find the website page or the web page that this video is on. In this case, this web page is, or this video is on the Free Foreclosure List website. So I'm going to find that website. It's the Free Foreclosure List, and I believe it's on the default page. So this is where the actual video is at. And what I want to do is, let me just make sure, yep, that's the right page. Click on the actual title of that page to pull up the editor. And as you'll see right here is there's this big gray box that says in this gray area the video window will be displayed. Now if you just try to select this and delete it, it doesn't really work. So what you actually have to do is you need to review the website HTML code. So how you get rid of this is you go into the HTML code. Once you're in the HTML code, you need to find the video source code and get rid of it. So I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So the easy way to do that is let me pull up the HTML code and make that a size where you can actually see it. And then what I have an easy time doing is grabbing this right here and just doing Control Find inside of here. So I just do hit Control F, and I'm using what is it, Google Chrome for my browser, and it will show me right in the HTML where that code is at. Now one thing I should recommend before you start messing with this HTML code is that you right click and you hit select all, and you more or less do a quick backup of this file. In case you mess something up and it really messes up your page, you can restore it to the default before you started. So in this case, I'm just going to hit right click, I'm going to hit select all, I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to pull up Notepad on my computer. Let me find Notepad. And then what I do, it's really easy, I just paste all that code in here. So if I ever make a mistake in that HTML code, I have a quick default backup, so I can just restore it. So let me show you now how to change out that code. So for this example, what you actually do is you'll see, let's see here, for this area you'll see this video placeholder script. So I'll start at span and I'll go all the way down, or let me show you how to delete the video first. The video right here is this JavaScript. It's right below in this gray area, there's that code, and then you'll see this script. And it's right down to here. And how you'll know it's the video code is you'll see this oddcast.com. That's the actual service that I use to create these cartoon videos. So you just go from script to script and you hit backspace, and that will actually delete the actual video. So if I come down here to the bottom and I hit save all changes and then I refresh this page, that video will be gone. However, we still have that gray box in your editor that you may not want, so you can see what the page is going to look like when you're editing it. So let me show you how to get rid of that. Let me find my HTML page. If I still have that pulled up, I don't. Okay, so I'm going to click on the HTML again and get this to size you can see it. Again, easy way to do this is hit Control F to find it. And right there, it's right back to where I was at. And what you want to do is you just start with the span, this little span code, right to the other side, and then you just hit backspace. Go down to the bottom, hit update, and let's see if that gets rid of it. Boom, things gone. And hit save all changes. Let's refresh it real quick. Everything looks good. Everything looks normal. You're good to go. You just deleted that. Now let me just show you in a horrible situation. If I made a mistake and let's just say, for an example, I deleted everything but that right there, okay? And I hit update, and I hit update here on my page, everything would disappear. This website would go kablooey. So remember where we saved that default backup where I have it right here? Well, just in case I made a huge mistake, I go back to that notepad where I had that backup saved. And this is just for security. It's really easy to do, right? Because I just pasted it into a notepad while I was working. I paste that right back. That's my backup that I saved while I was doing this just a little bit earlier. And I hit update, and everything is restored to default. Of course, I had this backup before I deleted that. So I'm going to hit Save All Changes, go back to here, hit refresh, and boom. Now, of course, I would still have to go back and delete that video, but that's just in case you made a big mistake. And if you're scared of messing with this HTML code, it's not really a big deal. I don't know squat about HTML code. I just know how to mess with stuff and get it to work. So that's how that's done. Hopefully that's helpful, so if in case you make a mistake, you're not completely in the dark and up a river, I guess you could call it, without a paddle. So that's it for this video. Watch the other videos for how to add a YouTube video or different videos in case you actually want to change this out for a video of your own. That's it for this video.